Hi and welcome to another sew along. Today we're going to be making a tote bag. Grab your supplies and let's begin. It's useful to cut the material on a fold so you don't have to sew the bottom too. Using clips or pins, secure the material the wrong side out. Sew the two sides, leaving a 1.5 inch seam allowance on each. Your bag should be looking like this now. Now trim the corners at an angle so when it's turned inside out it doesn't bunch up. Follow the same steps for the liner material. I use the same material for my liner, but feel free to use any material you want. Now we have both pieces, they should look exactly the same. Next we're going to turn the liner to the right side but leave the bag the same. Now insert the bag into the liner. So it should look like this, both the right sides touching in the middle. Now clip or pin the liner and bag so that they are secure. Sew the top of the bag together but leave 1.5 inches on each side to insert the straps and flip the bag to the right side out. Make sure the hole isn't too small as it makes it harder to flip inside out. Pull the inside out through one of the holes to turn it to the right side. Now for the strap. Gather the material for your strap and let's begin. Pin it inside out ready to sew. Now do a simple straight stitch to sew the strap together. Now just turn the strap to the right side out. Now place each side of the strap in the left and the right side holes. Tuck in the outside and the liner fabric in. Clip it in place and sew right around the top. Around the straps can be quite tricky as there's so much material underneath. So here I manually sewed it to ensure the needle didn't snap. And there you have it, your very own tote bag. Thank you for watching, and remember to send pictures of your bags to NUFS.